my fellow eggheads. I'm a certified technician. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is look for all the screws. I'm going to use my screwdriver and my pry tool. Both of these, links to these are in the description down below. And I am going to start removing all the screws. Now, if you find that there seems to be not screws all the way around, it can be a good idea to check under the labels or to check under the little pads, because sometimes they do hide them under there. And this is especially true if you start opening up the laptop and you get a lot of resistance, then you're going to want to go ahead and check for that. Also keep in mind you can magnetize your screwdriver by taking any regular screwdriver and leaving it on a strong magnet for 20-30 minutes. Now I'm going to take my pry tool, inserting it, and just trying to loosen up the panel so it comes off easily. And there you go, just that easy. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like and share. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.